Hello, my name is Nova Adelina. I am from 11 County 1. Today, I will show you how to make Oreo roll with. First, separate the biscuit and the cream. Pour Oreo biscuit until soft. Put into a bowl, then put in the condensed milk and milk powder. Then stir. Next, for the cream, we put 3 spoons of condensed milk. Then strain. Next, put those Oreo biscuits on baking paper. Aim flat. Next, put the cream to the evenness of the Oreo biscuit. Then fold and roll. Put in the refrigerator for 1 hour. After that, lay out and cut. And done.